Time now for medical rounds. As of yesterday, it has officially been 1 year since the historic day of receiving the first doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. Joining us now is Dr. Paul Anthony, Assistant Director of Infectious Disease at Hartford Hospital and one of the very first physicians to get the vaccine. Welcome, Doctor.
Well, nice to be here. Thank you.
Yeah, as we look back at 1 year since getting the first dose of the vaccine, talk to us about the significance of that day.
Oh, to me, it's a very historic day. It is symbolic of what we can do together. If you remember last year in 2020, some people are still processing 2019, but we were faced with a very new challenge that would change all of our lives. And I think that vaccine that day symbolized the hope, the light at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah, and you were one of the very first providers at Hartford Healthcare to get the vaccine. So what has the past year been like for you?
It's been amazing. I remember, especially in the beginning of 2020, watching so many people be very enthusiastic to get the vaccine, whether it was friends, family members, coworkers, colleagues, patients. It was amazing.
Yeah, what do you think are the most important lessons that we've learned from the last year?
If I had to pick one word, it would be resilience. And we've seen a lot of good things over the last year, but we've also seen every day that, the consistent, unfortunately, is when I walk in the ICUs, there's a fair amount of patients there who are unvaccinated still to the COVID-19.
And 2022 is now just around the corner, so we continue to fight the COVID-19 battle. We've got new variants. What are your thoughts for this coming year?
Yeah, it's the same. It's, let's get vaccinated. I would say the best way to beat COVID-19 is to follow the guidance. And if I may, especially as the holiday period is looming, I would like to share some advice for our audience. It's really stay home if you're sick. Get tested if you feel you're not well or if you had an exposure. Don't touch your face. Wash your hands. And remember that many people may have the virus even though they may not show symptoms. So be careful if you have to be indoors, especially as it's cold.
Absolutely.
Please get vaccinated. Get your booster. Sorry.
Get the booster. I have my booster at Hartford Healthcare later on this afternoon, so I'll be giving you my arm.
Perfect. Thank you.
All right. For more information, you can visit hartfordhealthcare.org/vaccine.